Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to study about the biological protected areas of the state Assam through the detailed map. Not only we are going to study them through map, but also we will get a detailed insight about them that are very much possible to come in upcoming exam. So let's get started. I consider you all have some idea about the rivers that are flowing in the state of Assam. But if you don't, still you can learn with me. Okay. First of all, this is our river Brahmaputra, which is also known as Yaralang Sampo, which originates from the Tibetan plateau. It enters Arunachal Pradesh in the name of Siang, then enters into Assam and flows as Brahmaputra river. Okay. All the seven national parks of Assam are located along the river Brahmaputra. Okay. So first of all, I will recommend you to remember the name of those seven national parks with me with a short trick called RMONK D1 D2, that is R Monk D1 D2. R for Raimon National Park. R for Raimon National Park. M for Manas, then Orang National Park, then Nameri National Park, then Kaziranga National Park. Okay. Raimona, Manas, Orang, Nameri, Kaziranga. Okay. Then comes D1 and D2, that is Dibru saikhowa and Dihang Patkai National Park. Dibru saikhowa and Dihang Patkai National Park. Okay. So Raimona, Manas, Orang, Nameri, Kaziranga, Dibru saikhowa and Dihang Patkai National Park. Before studying about the details of those national park, I will give another point. The state of Assam has four tiger reserves. Okay, so Raimuna and D1 and D2 doesn't have any tiger reserve. Only Manas, Orang, Nameri and Kaziranga National Park holds a protected area for tigers. Clear? Then the Assam has a Ramsar site known as Deepor Bill Ramsar site, which is also a wildlife sanctuary. Clear? So now jump into the detailed study of Raibona National Park. You should remember that it is the westernmost national park of state of Assam. It is drained by the Sankos river and it is bounded by Saralbhanga river on its eastern margin. Clear? Both the river joins the Brahmaputra river. Clear? The golden langur is found inside this national park. Okay. It's all about the Raimona National Park. There are many other details I have mentioned in the PDF. I will upload in my telegram group and give you the link in my description. Okay. Now we should jump to the second national park and the well-known national park of state Assam, that is Manas National Park, which is also a tiger reserve. Clear? So Manas National Park is drained by the famous Manas River, clear, which is a tributary of Brahmaputra River. This Manas National Park not only a tiger reserve but also a biosphere reserve and a biological world heritage site designated by UNESCO. Clear? So this national park is a home to fauna like Bengal florican, which is a critically endangered species, hispid hare, Assam roofed turtle, great hornbill, and also pygmy hawk, which is also a critically endangered animal. Clear? Now, like the previous national park, I have mentioned a lot of detail in the PDF. You can refer. Okay, so we should go to the next national park, which is Orang National Park and Tiger Reserve. So Orang National Park is also a biologically rich place which is home to Indian rhinoceros. Clear? Not only this, it also home to pygmy hog, which are critically endangered, an Indian elephant, and many other organisms. Clear? It lies on the bank of Brahmaputra, unlike this Manas and Ramona. Manas National Park lies on the borderline of Bhutan and India, that is Assam. And Ramona also lies away from the bank of Brahmaputra. But in the case of Orang, it lies on the bank of Brahmaputra. Clear? So now we can study about the Nameri National Park. Like the Manas and Ramona, this Nameri National Park is also lies away from the Brahmaputra river and on the borderline of Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. Clear? Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. Clear? It is also a tiger reserve and it is separated by the border, state border from the Pakki Tiger Reserve of Arunachal Pradesh. Clear? It is on the western bank of Kameng River. Clear? Or you can say on the right bank of Kameng River. Clear? Next, we will study about the Kaziranga National Park, which is like the Orang National Park, lies on the bank of Brahmaputra River. You can see clearly here. Okay. About its flora and fauna, this national park and tiger reserve is famous for one-horned Indian rhinoceros. Clear? This national park also holds wild water buffaloes and many other organisms which I have mentioned in the PDF. I will not go into explaining all of those because it will consume a lot of time and video will be very lengthy. Okay, so our next national park is Dibru Saikhowa National Park, which is also nearer to the Brahmaputra river, where the rivers like Siang and Divan and Lohit also meets the Brahmaputra river, or you can say Divan and Lohit meets river Siang to create or to be named as Brahmaputra river. There the Dibru Saikhowa National Park resides. Clear? Okay. This Dibru Saikhowa National Park is famous for sloth bear. Then Dihing Patkai National Park, which is very much away from the Brahmaputra river, but the Buridiyang, you can see Buridiying passes through it. In this map, this is there is a little anomaly because the national park needs to be very near to the Buridiying river. Clear? So I'm not going to mention all those organisms which are located or which are resides in those biological protected area, but I have mentioned all of them in the PDF. You can refer that. And I'm not very good in teaching, but I have worked very hard to make this map, which I'm sure will help you. And if you have any suggestion, I will request you please write them in the comment section. It will help me to create more such contents for you. Thank you.